Hi everybody, today I wanted to show you this replace I made. This is for a controller for PS2, ps1. I can see if you don't have a regular cable AV to this connection, you can use a regular AV to AV like this, and without no problem you can connect it to any of to any TV you have. I had a problem with this cable, it was cut away, all the cables was out. I put them in, it was just closed. I took a hammer and this small knife, put it there and opened it. After this I took soldering and solder every cable, every connection. One of the we have here 9 cables, but we use only 8. The red one not used at all. After this I put a shrinking cable on them to close and to be closed and be saved. And after this I will take this glue, will glue it and close it like it was. It will work perfectly. Thank you for watching, maybe it helped to someone. Goodbye, thank you.